Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed alkenes, and today we are going to study another important topic, which is naming of alkenes. So, let's understand naming of alkenes step by step. Why naming of alkenes is needed? My dear student, in early days, organic compounds were named randomly, which caused confusions. To solve this problem, scientists introduced a systematic method of naming compounds called the IUPAC nomenclature. What is IUPAC? IUPAC stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This organization gives international rules for naming organic compounds. Basic idea of naming alkanes. The name of an alkane depends on first the number of carbon atoms, second one longest carbon chain, third one branches are present. Naming of straight chain alkanes. Straight chain alkanes are named according to the number of carbon atoms. Root name of alkanes. Number of carbon atoms. Root name alkane name. Number of carbon atoms. 1. Root name is meth and alkane name is methane. And number of carbon is 2. Root name eth, alkane name ethane. Number of carbon atoms. 3. Root name prop and alkane name propane. Fourth one, number of carbon atoms 4. Root name is bute, alkane name is butane. And number of carbon is 5. Root name is pent and alkane name is pentane. Sixth one, root name hex and alkane name is hexane. Number of carbon atoms 7. Root name is hept. Alkane's name is heptane. Number of carbon atoms 8 and root name is oct and alkane name is octane. Number of carbon 9, root name is non, alkane name is nonane. And 10, root name is dic, alkane name is decane. Suffix for alkane is always an, A. Examples: straight chain alkanes, CH4, methane, C2, H6 ethane, C3H8 propane, C4H10 butane. Now, naming of branched chain alkanes in IUPAC rules. First one, rule 1, select the longest carbon chain. Choose the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms. This chain gives the parent name. Rule 2, number of the carbonate chain. Number of the chain from the ends. Rule 2, number of the carbon chain. Number the chain from the ends nearest to branch, lowest number to the substituent. Rule 3, name the branch in alkyl group. Branches are named as alkyl group. Common alkyl groups. Alkyl groups formula: methyl, CH3, ethyl, C2H5, propyl, C3 it's 7. Rule 4, write the name properly. The name is written is position of branch, name of branch, point alkane. The name is written is first one position of branch, right, then write name of branch, then write parent alkane. Examples of branched alkane. Example 1, structure C3, CH into C3, bond CH3, step 1, longest chain, 3 carbons, propane, step 2, branched methyl, and step 3, position of carbon number 2. Now name is 2 methyl propane. Second example 2, structure C3, bond CH2, bond CH into C3, bond CH3, step 1, longest chain, 4 carbon butane. Second one is branch methyl. Third one is position is equal to carbon number 2. So name is 2 methyl butane. Rule 5, more than one same branch. If more than one same alkyl group is present, use prefixes like di, tri, tetra. Mention position of all branches. Example, structure C3 bond CH into C3 bond CH into C3 bond C3. Now select longest chain is butane, 2 methyl groups at position 2 and 3. Now name is 2 or 3 dimethyl butane. Now important points to remember. Longest chain is most important, lowest numbering is preferred, alkyl groups are written before parent name, commas separate numbers, and hyphen separate numbers and words. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on naming of alkenes. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.